Hey guys, how you doing? If you don't know me, I'm Panos. Today I'm uploading a video to talk about this question on GCSE Maths Paper 1 higher. Well, it's non-calculator. It's question 19, and it seemed to confuse a lot of people. But I'm here to show you that there's actually a pretty simple method of solving this. Um, and yeah, it did trick me quite a bit at the start, but we kind of got there in the end. So the way of solving this is by knowing one is an important property of similar shapes, right? So if if you can't remember, let me just go through the question first. So the question states that these two shapes, so ABC and ABD, so this big one here, they're similar. So they have a scale factor. And they're isosceles as well because of AB equals AC. So this one here, AB equals AC, I've shown over here, and AD equals BD. So AD equals BD. So yeah, we know they're isosceles, right? That's pretty cool. But what we need to find out is um, the ratio of AB to AD. And I've shown BC to CD, so that's literally BD being split into two parts. So that's 4 parts here, 21 parts here. So like you could say that's just the length. So BC is 4 and CD is 21. Now the important rule property you need to know is I'm gonna show you a demonstration. So you got a triangle that has sides x and y, and you got a bigger triangle with bigger sides that has that's similar to this one, and they have a scale factor of 2. So you know that this will be 2x and this will be 2y. Easy peasy. Now here's something cool. If you try to find the ratio, right, of this side and this side, so the ratio of 2y and 2x, you just write it as 2y and 2x, or I'll write it as a fraction, 2y over 2x. It'll be equal to this, right? Why? Well, if you divide these, you find that this cancels out and it will equal y divided by x, and they're the same. So you know that the ratio of two sides, of two equal sides in similar shapes, so when you divide those two, you get this the same answer. So the ratios are the same, right? Hope I explained that well. If you don't know what I mean, use this method to demonstrate it. Um, so yeah, that's an important kind of property to know that the ratio of these two sides and these two sides in similar shapes are the same. And we can apply this to this question here. And you'll see that once you actually apply it, the question becomes a hell of a lot easier. And it's a good thing to know. Um, so what you can start by doing is, yes, outline everything that you're given. So like I just did here. So this one's 25, this one's 25 in total. So BD. And what's important is we try to find AB first, right? Because we know AD. We know AD is 25. Anyone can tell you that. But we need to find AB. That's kind of our main focus here. So we could say, instead of finding just the ratio, say our main goal is to find AB. Find AB, right? So how do we do that? Now, what I do is basically write AB is, so the length of AB is X, right? So X. And we know that if I you can split this apart, you can do whatever you want, and you could write it like this. So hang on, X is AB, and over here is 4, so that's B. Oh, Jesus, wrong letters, pal. So that's AB, and that's BC, that's 4. And then we'll just take that bigger one and write it like over here. I know, it's not to scale. Anyway, we're gonna say that's 25. All right. Now, here's what's important to know. And this one's X, right? Remember, this is the same. So this side here is literally this side here. They're both X, right? But we're interested in AB, so I'm just gonna get rid of this guy here, and I'm gonna literally apply whatever I did here over here. So we'll say 25 over X. So yeah, so that's the ratio over here, equals X over 4, right? Right? Because we know this property, we can apply it here, right? You could split it like this if it makes it easier for you, or you can just do it, as shown in the question. Okay? And now we're just going to solve for x, all right? So we'll just say 4 times 25, that's That's 100. And we'll cross multiply and with times x by x. So x times by itself is just x squared. And then we'll square root it to get x equals 10. Right? So now we know what AB is. So x equals 10. And knowing AB, we write 10 to the ratio of 25, which is AD. So AB, AD. And you simplify down by dividing by 5. So divide by 5. You don't have to, but you can. You get 2 and 5. That's your answer. Okay? How was that? Not too hard, eh? All right. Thanks for watching. I appreciate if you could comment how you found that question. I know it tricked a lot of people, including myself. I'm not gonna lie to you, but knowing this property, it made it a lot easier. So yeah, that's your solution for today. Thank you for watching the video. See you later.